Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to extract zip files on Android. First of all, open My Files. Click to open Archives from here. Go into Zip and open the image. Then click on three dots from the top right corner. Select the image, then click on Extra Files. You can select files, images, and videos from here. Then press the Extract Files. After that, select the folder. Click on Extract here. Or you can select the option of Extract to Parent folder. The file is extracted and you can view it. Click on the image folder. Here you can see the file. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.